I know, furnace alert. But what happens, is I come out here, about an hour before I'm ready to start work, I turn up the furnace temperature to 15 degrees Celsius, which is what, 50 something Fahrenheit, and then when I actually get out here to work, I turn it up again, because the furnace has to work pretty hard to bring it from freezing to 65. And that's warm, so 60 to 65 F, which is 15 to 20 C. So anyway, to afford all this stuff, all my life I've had to save my money and be frugal. And this is pushing the limit, my friends. But hey, how do you get ahead in life? I think it was an old American said, I think it was Benjamin Franklin did, and I'm not American, but I'm Canadian, but a penny saved is a penny earned, right? And that's absolutely true, because if you don't spend it, you've got it. And it turns 1 cent into 2 cents. Okay, anyway, back down to here. You guys see me wear these every day. My old, what are they? Levi work pants. The rivet came out of the stomach holder. Probably because I'm not the same size I used to be. I'm working on my six-pack. So this is the rivet, or the buckle that holds my pants up. I'm going to see if I can, you know me, I like rivets. I'm going to see if I can replace the bottom rivet with a new one. Hard to do. Harder than it looks, right? But we've got more than one way to do this. First thing I'm going to do is just try and drill it out. It's not happy with me. I might go from the other way if I can. Yes, sirree, Bob. You want some coffee? Hey, Bob. So that's what I'm doing. It's right in the side there now. Yeah, I got it. Lovely. Now, I just happen to have washers that won't rust. I might use a 1/8 inch washer, because they're these are 1/8 inch washers. Okay, down here. Head down. My favorite size is these guys. That might not be it. Oh, there we go. What do you think? That's the old size rivet top. And I'm not kidding, guys. This is exactly how you get ahead. You know, like, yeah, it's 30 bucks for a pair of pants or something like that. But if you can extend the life, number one, it costs you, okay, let's say you're going to go down to, we have a work warehouse in town here where most people buy their jeans. Or a lot of people. You can go to Walmart and save a few bucks. I don't have a problem with their jeans. The jeans are made in North America. And but this is how you get ahead. Because let's say, okay, I got to go get a new pair of jeans. Might as well pick up a t-shirt, some socks. Might as well stop in for lunch. Oh, this took us longer to do than I originally thought. Let's go over to our favorite little sports bar, and the game was on. Might as well watch that, have a couple of brews, eat a nice hamburger for $18 instead of having one at home. And so now you've instead of spending 50 cents on a rivet, you've left the house, you put gas in the car, you bought your pants at some expensive pants store, or even a cheap pants store, gone out for supper. Oh, let's pick up a couple of things. Look at that cute little toy for the kid. You pick that up, 10 bucks. Oh, it's only 10 bucks. So pretty soon you're home, right? I've just told a little story here. And you've spent $145, and all you really needed was to fix a hole in your pants. So I do sewing, I do all kinds of stuff. Like a sewing machine to me is just a jigsaw. It just goes up and down and puts material together. So we don't have pink or blue jobs in our house. Okay, enough of that. I'm gonna get a punch and flatten this little guy out. Maybe. Yes. Sorry about that, I'm back. So I'm just flattening out this ridge here. That's pretty good. Now I'm going to just stick it in there. Up a little bit. Run a drill bit through there. Now I might put a little rivet on both sides of that. I might even put a bigger one on this side. Huh. I don't know. Rivet gun! I've mentioned it before, I have this fancy rivet gun, all the different sizes and who's its and what's its. And here I go, using the old one that I brought home back in the Jurassic period. Okay, I'm going to put one on this side. Oh, I don't know if I can put one on the inside of that or not. Ooh. So let's do a little better job of flattening that out. Thank you, Dennis. Dennis is a friend of mine. He gave me these snap-on punches. That's better. Yes. I want to just do it all the way around there, flattening that piece out. Might have to shove that in there like that. I don't know. I want. Yeah, I just want to flatten that out. Yes, yes. Okay, now I'm going to drill that 1/8 inch hole again. I'm not worried if it's centered or not. Yes, that's going to work really well. In fact, it looks almost identical to the one that came out of there. Are you ready? Now the only thing I should have done was I should have taken the sewing machine and zigzagged the heck out of that. Do I start a new hole instead? Now we know the jeans aren't going to last much longer. Alright, here we go. I've got a hole, a 1/8 inch hole in the back of the button. I've got my little washer that used to be as big as this back of the old rivet, and we're just gonna, now the hole is still a pretty good size, and I think that's why it pulled out. But I am gonna crazy glue that bad boy onto there afterwards. I know, but it's a pair of work pants, guys. Oh, no, I don't want to use that one. Where'd they go? I'm almost tempted to crazy glue it on before I start. Just have another look at that hole. Lost the washer? Come here, you dog. Okay, let's go. Can you guys see? Let me know. I think any old way will work. Look at that. Take two. Okay, I really hope that you guys that make videos laugh at yourself, because if you don't laugh at yourself, it could be a very long life. I just put this button on this pants wrong, and I'm just going to do it again. Okay, pants, come here. Cost me a rivet. Rivet. But it didn't hurt anything but my pride. Okay. Are you with me now? We're going back. We're going to do this again. Rivet. Pin. See how much further that sticks out? Okay, I want to make it as nice as I can. This time I got it on the right way. Now I'm just going to take a tiny bit of crazy glue and dab that hole. And we got a repaired pair of pants. I know. Please don't unsubscribe because... Please do not unsubscribe because of this video. But you saw it first on Bruce Pender TV. Thanks, guys. You don't have to see me put a dab of crazy glue on that there, do you? Oh, okay. But I do have a hard time getting the lid off these crazy glue containers. There we go. Now I have switched to Gorilla. Seems to be more reusable. The container seems to be a little more robust. Okay, here we go. So right down in there, there was, let's make sure we got something coming out of here. A little bit. There we go. A little thick at first, eh? It's good to use this stuff once in a while. As long as it doesn't hurt my stomach. This is just to prevent the fraying, eh? I know that's a lot of work to save a pair of pants, but I didn't leave the house and spend $145 either, did I? There. Good as old. Thanks, guys. What the hell else can I do on a cold winter day?